Welcome to our AutoCAD tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you on how to draw a circle in AutoCAD. Let's get started. Open a new or existing drawing in AutoCAD. Ensure that you have the drawing area ready. Access the Draw panel by going to the Home tab on the ribbon and clicking on the Draw button. This will display a list of drawing commands. Select the Circle command. You can either click on the circle icon in the Draw panel or type circle in the command line and press Enter. Specify the center point of the circle. You can either enter the coordinates manually or use your cursor to select a point on the drawing area. Specify the radius or diameter of the circle. You can enter the desired value directly or use your cursor to drag and click to specify the size. Optional. If you want to customize your circle further, you have additional options. For example, you can specify the layer, color, or line type of the circle. These options can be found in the command line or properties palette. Repeat these steps whenever you want to draw additional circles in your AutoCAD drawing. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to draw circles in AutoCAD. Practice drawing different sizes and exploring more advanced options to enhance your skills. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!